Guys, tonight we got a ribeye. We're gonna cook it on the smoker and then reverse sear it. Let's season it up. All right, we're just gonna cut this open here. All right, we're gonna hit this with a light dose of some neutral oil here, and then tonight we're seasoning it up with grill your ass off gunpowder. So we're gonna get a nice coating on there. And we're just gonna flip her over and do the exact same thing. All right, we're gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes to just let all the seasonings incorporate into the beef. All right, guys, our smoker's going at 225. We're just gonna go on to the smoker with our steak here. All right, so we got that on the smoker. We're looking for 110, 115, depending on how you like your steaks. Normally, I like mine on the rare side. I'm sure I'm gonna get crap for that when I post this, that it's like, still mooing and all that, but like that's how I like it. All right, guys, our steak's been on the smoker for like a half an hour. Our Blackstone's ripping. Let's sear these off. All right, we're gonna give her a quick flip. Guys, this is starting to look delicious and smell delicious too. All right, guys, now that we got a nice sear on both sides here, we're just gonna take this off and we're just gonna rest it for about 10 minutes. All right, reverse seared steak on the smoker in Blackstone. We've been resting. Let's cut it open, see where we're at here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Just rips apart. Definitely the best way to cook a steak. You should try it out.